Hey, Krang has position and chose second, which is, I think it's a good idea. Since Krang can play a fatigue game and you don't really want to go. If you're trying to out fatigue Golden Bat, you want to go second so that you're not pressured to approach.
I'll maneuver. Now maneuver again.
Okay. It's 4 spaces away. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Maneuver. Boost.
Either vaporizing eye beams or flash. Okay, it was a vaporizing.
Okay. So first we do our thing. Ah, yours is longer.
Then yeah, it's not random.
I think that's okay for Krang actually. I don't think he wants to draw. Unless he wants to flip the switch and go aggro.
No. I'll go ahead and attack.
Thinking.
Okay, yeah.
Come on.
I don't think that's... If it's a 5,
No way.
Let's see.
I'm saying.
okay. No, yeah.
I'm not gonna reroll.
Okay. Aggro Golden Bat. The sight to see. Okay, it's great. Great interaction for... Wait, does that work? Oh yeah, he maneuvered anyway. But if he alpined...
Yeah. Turn.
Is the right... Okay, this is not...
Go ahead.
Oh, maneuver.
the timer is still going. Oh, okay. I'm not sure how they're doing the timer.
Like this.
Okay, that's... Let's see how... Basically boils down to RNG, how much damage Krang deals. This is like a 4 or 5 or something. Wow, okay. Massive. Okay.
I deserve that one.
Oh, skill. It's actually interesting. Well, Krang is ending his turn right next to Golden Bat, so Golden Bat can return the favor. Although Minimizer is going to be a thing.
Okay.
I'm actually not sure. Do I have? Hopefully it doesn't come up, but I think it will. Okay, yeah.
Ouch.
That's...
Those 3 damage.
Wait, yeah.
So it goes down to a 1 and then plus 2.
Okay. Oh no, the turn is done.
Oh, yeah, right. Okay. Go ahead.
No more turns for you. I'm gonna go ahead and play this.
Okay. Oh, you know, that wasn't the dice cannon yet.
Let's go.
Wow. You can't even. Probably like a 0 or a 1. I think generally agreed that Android Arms Wings is one of the worst Krang cards. let's increase their volume a bit.
Moving.
Yep.
And then I will tap.
Okay, that would be 4 damage.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep, Golden Bat's being really aggressive this game.
What's the card do?
It's interesting.
There you go. Alright, so I'll roll the dice.
Okay. Wait, are you not using the place fighter or the first?
Oh yeah, that's true. I have to place first. I forgot. Thank you for reminding me. Place here. Whoa. I think the montage is hitting me with the lag switch.
Really?
Okay, 4 cards.
Really?
Four, that's
Yeah.
funny.
For random, right? For random.
Yeah, we're not really going to see what goes back to the bottom of their
Get it
decks here.
shuffled. I'm just gonna go ahead and 1, 2,
Yeah,
3.
the annoying part about this card is that you don't really know the impact
Let's
for either way.
would we see the random cards? No.
You don't.
Yeah, because
Okay.
we would. Well,
No, I don't think so.
there's no reason. There's no reason for us not to, because we know obviously what.
Oh no, the opponent won't see. Oh yeah, you get to see, of course.
Oh,
Yeah, we can see. Look at our own stuff. Yeah.
Oops. Okay.
Whoa. I mean, unless you want to show me,
Nah.
you can.
Wait.
To the bottom of the deck,
No,
randomly.
At the bottom. Bottom.
Okay. And then we draw 2.
Okay, yeah, it's a top deck battle.
Okay.
We don't know what was removed.
Alright. Go ahead.
I'm gonna go ahead and attack the bat.
Please don't get cancelled. Alright.
What's that? Oh, okay, nothing happens. It's basically a bait attack.
And then I'll maneuver.
For Chocks, this is the TMNT celebration tournament from
Maneuver.
the Restoration Game circuit. So they are not representing any team. They're just duking it out.
Yeah.
Old-fashioned style.
Sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yep.
Stay. Go ahead.
Okay. So Krang is down like 7 HP, but he hasn't used any IQ yet.
And maneuver.
So that is deceptive.
Maneuver. Mm-hmm.
Golden Bat has used 1 Alpine Fortress. That's massive. I think this might be a fatigue game, honestly.
Maneuver.
I don't know how this matchup goes just yet. I think this is my first time seeing it in action. When I ran through Krang a few times before, this wasn't one of the matchups that I tested. So yeah, Golden Bat. The map was chosen by Golden Bat, but the position was Krang chose to go second. I think it makes sense. Just because of how the matchup usually goes. I don't think Krang really wants to full send. It's not really the best way to play him, it seems. He plays like a tank. Yeah, Golden Bat can defend here with a skirmish or a flash. Oh, okay. Krang now needs to hit 3 at minimum if he doesn't want inside to trigger. I think Krang can meet Golden Bat's exhaust, but okay, that's sad. I think you might actually want to reroll that. The 50-50 chance, like 3, 4, 5, just for inside not to land.
Manifesting 3 damage now.
2 damage, yeah. Inside is stopped. A shout out to Beerus in the chat. Okay, yeah, just cancel it. Okay, no more vaporizing I-beams. It's big. And Krang still has 3 IQs. Okay, first action. Yeah, boost 3. 2 damage. Skirmish activates first. Ah yeah, skirmish doesn't resolve actually. Okay, so 1 imposing presence down, 1 skirmish down. Golden Bat still has 2 5s and 1 of these 2 each. Okay, honestly, Krang's doing pretty nicely. This is still maneuver range for Golden Bat. So it's like a flash of golden light, probably. Yeah, it doesn't quite... Wait, on my eyes deceive me. No, it's not maneuver range. Okay. Despite going second, Krang is 1 card down in the deck. Just alpining the Alpine. Okay. Golden Bat Alpines and attacks with Punch Shake the Earth into a feint.
I will.
Hey, just...
I'll actually activate a machine here.
Isn't that a lot of damage?
2 damage total. Oh wait, no. If you activate the machine, you'll take
3 damage.
Oh, right. I would take 2. Never mind. Yeah. Never mind. I will cancel.
Yeah, it's better to cancel this.
When the combat. Yeah. There we
Okay.
Go ahead.
go. Okay. It's done. Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
I'm attacking the bat.
5 cards. Defending.
5. Okay.
Come on.
Okay.
No.
Krang has 40% chance of hitting this. Let's just see what happens. It basically, like, if it lands, it's great. If it doesn't, oh well.
Come on.
Okay, it landed.
Oh, let's go!
I'll discard 2.
What would be funny is that if Krang hits with another one of these and then it lands again. Just flip the dynamic of the match on its head completely. Not that Krang was in a bad position, but he'd be in a more winning position.
I'll discard this one.
Okay.
Okay.
And then attack again.
Okay.
Yeah, the timer isn't moving.
Okay, come on. 3 damage. 3 damage. 3
Not
damage. 3 damage.
4
3 damage. 3
again.
damage. 3 damage. 3 damage. 3 damage. Damage. My god, please just go into the cannon. There you go.
Oh, wow.
Oh, let's go.
Not 3 damage, but...
That's a lot of force.
Your turn.
Yep. Alpine. Another Alpine.
Uh-huh.
2. Attacking. Alright, no damage.
So I take 2.
How does this work? Right.
Take 2.
Yeah, reset back
You
to
don't get
0
the
and then I get the +2.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's right.
Option. Go ahead.
I'm gonna
Oh,
IQ.
here we go. Here we go.
Where are you? My
Fives,
dice.
please. No, roll your fives.
To see how much healing.
Roll your fives.
It actually isn't time to roll my fives. I'm gonna roll 0
Oh,
here.
4.
4. I don't need that.
I can help you put back the dice.
Well, I would love that.
Here, it's back.
Thank you. Damn.
Ooh, hmm.
3. I accept that.
Yeah, okay. It works.
Okay, can you load it back up for me?
Yeah. Go.
Damn.
Wow.
Wow.
4.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna go ahead and hack.
Yep. He gets to do this because of the draw earlier. I mean, he's losing in fatigue right now, but he does get to do this at least. Okay.
One more time, montage.
Not
I'll load it.
One time.
Go.
Oh man.
Let's see. Oh my god, what is this?
Oh.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god.
This is hilarious.
Oh crap. Alright, goodbye.
That was pure skill, I think.
Yep.
Turn.
I'll maneuver and goodbye. Maneuver. Goodbye.
Alright, my turn. I'll maneuver. I'm gonna boost with power bomb. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And I'm gonna go ahead and attack.
Ending.
No,
Yeah.
I will not boost.
Alright.
Man, yeah. Still good for Krang though. I'll just help you out.
Thank you.
Okay.
For some reason, my
Okay.
connection to you is like awful, but my connection to Beef is like fine.
I'll maneuver. Mm-hmm.
Okay, the fatigue game is kind of evened out because Golden Battles keep maneuvering.
Go ahead.
And it's still in maneuver range of Krang, which is interesting.
Maneuver.
Wonder why.
And I'm gonna go ahead and attack.
Still IQs left.
Okay, defending.
Okay.
Okay.
Ow.
Damage. Okay.
Mine
Yeah,
is
that's-
longer.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, mine is longer.
Uh-huh. Okay, I'll... You have one more... Oh, we don't have any more portals. You have 1, 2, 3... Yeah, attack
Okay. So what's this? No vaporizing, no super strengths. Flash of golden light, maybe. Yeah,
Hold
flash.
on,
You have
the
4.
dice.
Oh yeah, wait. There you go. Thanks, Beefsteak. Load the cannons.
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, reroll it.
One more time, montage.
Wow.
Alright, that's my first action.
Okay, so send 0 twice in a row.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'll maneuver. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead.
Or.
Oh, sorry, 3.
Whoa, this guy's cheating. What the heck?
I have a passive alpine.
Yeah. And I'll attack.
Cancel.
No.
Okay.
Turn.
Oh, alpine. See, this is why I moved
Okay.
forward. I have
Oh.
this.
Ah, okay. I see.
I just fiddled with Twitch a bit.
I have left in- Yes. We have one more cancel. I'll just get one more Alpine again.
Okay, now they're even in deck, but
I'll draw
that's
2.
5 cards to Alp.
Oh, I'm lagging.
Ah, it's my turn to
No.
strike you with the lag.
You have 3 cards. You have.
Okay.
Oh, what do you have? You have one more cancel.
2 IQs, which is massive.
Oh, you have one more cancel. Alright, I'll attack you.
Interesting.
No,
Okay,
This is a 2.
2 damage though.
Alright.
I'll cancel.
But Krang is...
Go ahead.
Okay, so Golden
Okay.
Bat has a defense.
Ending.
Insight. Skirmish. Okay, actually we'll see. If
on.
this hits, this is so big.
7.
You just have to stop. Okay. I think you rerolled that.
No.
Alright.
You want to stop Skirmish from winning? Okay,
4.
I-
2 damage, and then
Okay.
Krang can land an undefended hit here.
Yep.
No more cards in hand. No more skirmish.
I mean, he could.
No.
Okay, he'll maneuver.
No more
He's-
defenses. You have
Your turn.
4 schemes.
Hello, Arutin, I
Mhm.
assume.
I'll maneuver.
Wow. Okay. 1 card in hand. Krang has 2. Oh yeah, he still has that. Really bad. But Krang give it. Krang take it away. I don't think he had to reroll that actually. It's just 1 damage. So 2 IQs, like Krang has what, 3 schemes? Oh god, what the hell? This guy has nothing left. Uh. Hey. See how much healing we'll get. Wow, I rerolled that, I'm pretty sure. Oh, okay. You just get full healing. Okay, so Golden Bat has 2 cards left in deck. I don't think Krang's winning this. Guess I'll just maneuver. Yeah, Golden Bat can't really hit Krang. Golden Bat can't really kill Krang in the next turn, but Krang can't do anything to retaliate. The Golden Bat's just free here. Krang only has 2 schemes left. They might as well just play the other IQ. But that's 4 phases away. I think Krang should move 1 down. That would stop Alpine from reaching. But Golden Bat maneuvered anyway. I think you can put back anything you want, honestly. Super Strength or Arrive Just in Time. I think Super Strength. Okay, yeah, it's just a safer thing to do. But Super Strength would also have been unstoppable. Okay. Gonna have to get really lucky with this one, I think. Insta-kill. Oh, wow. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. I don't think Krang's winning this one. Then he'll maneuver. Well... And then that's the game, I think. Okay, yeah, that was a game. GG. I just realized at the end that that Gl4re only had like schemes. Yeah, very sad. If you'd like to support the channel, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee or my Pixel by ePlayment pages down below. And if you like the content you just saw, make sure to check out the other videos on my channel. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.